Meaning of diesel fuel.
Diesel fuel.
Diesel fuel.
Diesel fuel.
Diesel fuel. Diesel fuel is a type of liquid fuel commonly used in diesel engines, which are widely utilized in transportation and industry. The fuel is made by refining crude oil, and it is characterized by its high energy density and low volatility. When diesel fuel is burned inside a diesel engine, it undergoes a combustion process that generates heat and pressure. This pressure is then used to power the engine's pistons, which turn a crankshaft and ultimately transfer power to the vehicle or machinery. Diesel fuel is typically cheaper than gasoline and often provides better fuel efficiency.